From riverbank to skyline.
Amara was never my style. I was with her because I was broke, but now I only need a door.
This can't be real. David?
Don't want to worry about her. Don't worry, Miss Tom, what this is. Amara, I'm sorry. I'm in love with Adora.
After 7 years, why the betrayal?
Dora is rich and my future is safe with her. I don't want you. Go back to those poor village boys just like you. I'm too handsome for you.
Get away from him, Amara. David is with me now. David! How could you? I can't believe this!
Wow, she's really losing it.
Let her go. I trusted you. I believed you.
Is that the girl from the hall?
No.